Samsung's Galaxy Note 9, as per the series launch cycle, is expected to see an unveiling in the later half of 2018, with August 9 emerging as the launch date as per the last few reports. The upcoming flagship phablet's front panel is said to have been leaked that shows a design language similar to its predecessor, Galaxy Note 8. Additionally, Samsung is said to have patented a smartphone design with one of the highest screen-to-body ratios seen yet, expected allegedly to be part of future smartphones from the company's bandwagon. In a tweet by reputed tipster who goes by the alias Ice Universe, the front display panel of the Galaxy Note 9 has allegedly been revealed. The panel shown in leak suggests the Galaxy Note 9 will borrow design elements like a dual curved display and cutouts for front camera, sensors, and earpiece from the Galaxy Note 8. However, it appears to have slim bezels than last time, on the sides, top, and bottom. Previously, rumors have suggested that the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 will sport a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED Infinity display with an 18.5:9 aspect ratio. At its core, the flagship is expected to get a Qualcomm Snapdragon 845/Samsung Exynos 9810 SoC, paired with up to 8GB of RAM and 512GB of internal storage. Other than that, the Galaxy Note 9 might sport a 4000 mAh battery and a dual rear camera setup. Color variants include black, blue, brown, gray, and lavender. Separately, a report by Mobile Copen claims that the South Korean giant has patented a smartphone design that offers an almost bezel-free design with a minimal bezel on top without the need of a notch, or any particular placement for the front camera. Interestingly enough, the patent doesn't seem to have a physical fingerprint sensor either on the front or at back, suggesting Samsung might shift to an in-display fingerprint sensor for good with its next flagship, possibly the Galaxy S10. The report also points towards the presence of a second display on the back of the handset, which seems sketchy considering it could be a placeholder. However, it may also be a way to use the rear camera as a front camera, as users can see a preview on this rear display.